If you're not sure if your system supports virtualization, you can look in Google for virtualization detection tool, and the first result will be a tool from Microsoft. Click on that link and download the tool. I have already done that, so I will go to my downloads folder and open the Have detection tool by double clicking. I click on Run, and it turns out that hardware assisted virtualization is not enabled on my system. So it means that I will have to enable it in BIOS. To do that, I restart my computer and press on F10 to enter the BIOS mode. There I go to the Advanced tab, then Device Configurations, and I scroll down looking for the Settings, Virtual Technology, and Virtual Technology for Directed Input-Output. I select both and click on Save. I confirm by clicking Yes, and then I can exit the setup mode.